Imagine a world where your entire digital life, every photo, video, and document, could fit into a tiny vial, lasting for thousands of years. This isn't science fiction, it's the incredible potential of DNA data storage, and it's closer than you think. Your DNA isn't just your biological blueprint, it's the most efficient data storage system known to humanity. Scientists have calculated that just 1 gram of DNA can store an astonishing 215 petabytes of data. That's equivalent to storing the entire digital content of the internet in something smaller than a paperclip. This incredible density is why DNA is so fascinating to computer scientists. It packs an immense amount of information into an incredibly small space. Think about the vast libraries of data we generate daily. DNA offers a solution to store it all. Your own genetic code, the very essence of who you are, contains about 700 terabytes of data. This is more storage capacity than a room full of traditional hard drives. It's a testament to nature's unparalleled engineering. So, how do we turn biological molecules into digital storage? The secret lies in DNA's 4 chemical bases: adenine, A, guanine, G, cytosine, C, and thymine, T. Just like computers use binary code, zeros and ones, scientists can assign digital information to these bases. To write data, researchers synthesize DNA strands with specific sequences of A, T, C, and G that represent digital files. This process is like printing a very tiny, complex barcode. Each sequence corresponds to a piece of information. To read the data back, they use DNA sequencing technology. This process deciphers the order of the bases, which can then be translated back into the original digital file. It's a remarkable feat of bioengineering and computer science working in harmony. Leading tech giants, including Microsoft, are at the forefront of this revolutionary technology. They've successfully stored and retrieved massive amounts of data using synthetic DNA strands. This includes movies, books, and even an entire operating system. These experiments prove that DNA data storage is not just a theoretical concept but a tangible reality. Researchers are continuously refining the processes for writing, storing, and reading data from DNA. The progress is rapid and incredibly promising. The potential applications are vast, from long-term archival storage for governments and corporations to preserving humanity's digital heritage. Imagine storing all of Wikipedia, every scientific paper, or every piece of art in a single, durable medium. One of the most compelling advantages of DNA storage is its incredible longevity. DNA has been storing complex information for 3.5 billion years without any tech support or power source. It's inherently stable and resistant to degradation. In contrast, your typical hard drive might fail after 5 to 10 years, and even magnetic tapes degrade over decades. DNA, when properly stored, can last for thousands, even tens of thousands of years. This makes it ideal for truly long-term data preservation. Furthermore, DNA storage uses almost no energy once the data is written. Unlike server farms that consume vast amounts of electricity, DNA sits passively, holding information without a power draw. This makes it an incredibly sustainable solution for our growing data needs. While the promise of DNA storage is immense, there are still challenges to overcome. The current processes for writing and reading DNA are relatively slow and expensive. It's not yet practical for everyday, rapid access data storage. However, research is accelerating, and costs are decreasing. Scientists are developing more efficient synthesis and sequencing methods. The goal is to make DNA storage a viable option for large-scale, long-term data archiving. Experts believe that within the next 50 years, we might be carrying our entire digital lives in a tiny vial of synthetic DNA. Your photos, videos, and cherished memories could literally be stored in the same medium that stores your genetic code. The convergence of biology and technology is opening up incredible possibilities. DNA data storage is a testament to human ingenuity, inspired by nature's own brilliance. It promises a future where data is not just stored, but truly preserved for generations. What are your thoughts on DNA data storage? Would you trust your most precious digital memories to this revolutionary technology? Share your ideas in the comments below. If you found this exploration of DNA's incredible power fascinating, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more cutting-edge science education, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the wonders of the universe.